Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I think this is part 3. And if you haven't watched the other parts, if you have watched it, I apologize. You're probably getting tired of this. But this is very helpful. One of my internet gurus gave me a good tip. Let me go ahead and zoom in. Let me put on the caps. So in the other videos, I had to go to text, Glyphs, and yours might say insert characters, put a space, and then double click on that. I'm having a little trouble with my scroll. Well, one, because I'm so big. Tell you what, let's make this smaller. And then when you, well, let me just do that again. Hit your text tool. Let's back up here. Double click on your symbol, and it places it, but then you can't do anything with it. You can't hit the space bar, so you have to click off of it. So his suggestion, and it was a big help, to not even put them in there at first. Let me just go ahead and type this out. Go ahead and put in a space. Then you can grab your text tool, double click on your symbol, and even if it's not lined up, you can hit your space bar now. Well, you can hit your space bar now, and we still need one more, so we'll put a space and double click on the pin, the symbol. Now, if you didn't watch 1 and 2, I think for 2 is the best one. Well, this is pretty helpful here to just put them in afterwards. Don't type them in there as you're going. But if you watch part 2, you'll find out how to make it evenly go around your text to path and have an even space. So I think that my internet, he must be a subscriber because I think he watches a lot of videos. And your, text tool symbols or GIFs, and if it is an older version, they're called insert symbols, I think. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.